Alright guys, I think I finally got a way to, I always wanted to show you guys or let you try and let you guys hear the difference between a Hemi tick and a Hemi tap. Okay, tap and ticks can be perceived as two different things. Okay, now although they can be called the same thing, in other words, you would get somebody with a Hemi tapping noise, say an exhaust stud broken. They could merely try to describe it as a tick because they don't know no better. Okay, not that they're dumb or stupid or anything like that. They just literally don't know how to distinguish the two. So what I wanted to do when I finally got the chance is have one that's ticking from a valve train problem, a camshaft lifter problem, and one ticking from the actual broken stud. Okay, so what I need to do is turn this off and turn it back on. All right. Hey, come start this up for me. Can you turn this off? Let me get a help with this because you can hear it when it first started. Right. Let's turn it off and turn it back on, please. All right. Yeah, go ahead. All right, that's all I need. Huh? Yeah, I need you to give it a little gas. I really want y'all to hear this, guys. All right, that's cool. Thank you. Appreciate it. Yeah, kill it. All right, guys, that wasn't a good sound. It mainly happens when it's cold, so I'm gonna let the engine cool off a little bit and then let y'all hear it. When I went out and first started, it was loud. So it's the exhaust studs, and it's likely on this side. Okay, now I have several. In fact, we're doing one over here right now. Let me show y'all something. Well, he already got his repaired. Okay, this is the same engine, same truck. All right, they break right here. Okay, now he already got his. He used a welding machine to tack a nut onto the broken stud that's inside of here. He created more space with the nut, and then he merely welded the nut to the extra space. That gave him a way to back the broken stud out. Okay, so that's the same setup, but I really wanted y'all to hear. Okay, these are not that hard. Now you can get a stubborn one. We actually had one that we had to replace the head because no matter what we did, we couldn't get it out. So but everybody now using welding as a secret way to get them out. Everybody pretty much got their own little portable welding machine for this reason. This job, it pays for it. It'll pay for itself after so many. All right, guys. So when this truck cool down, I'm gonna let y'all hear exactly how that sounds. So stay tuned, man. Wow, guys, my man has a catch can installed on his car, and you know what? It actually did its job. Okay, I came over here at the last minute, but he was actually pouring it out. I guess he keep his catch can right here. Now y'all know what a catch can supposed to do. All right, this is his. So when I came over here, he was in the middle of doing this. He got it all out before I got here, but it was a lot of oil coming out of here. It actually done his job. So where's the PCV valve job then? What does that do? Whoa! So you got to do this every what? Empty your catch can. Every 2 weeks?
A year, a day, tomorrow? Who knows?
Where does it live on the car?
Where the battery used to.
So where's the battery?
In the trunk.
So you got long battery cables going all the way. Oh yeah, I see that right there.
Yeah, it's run through the firewall. You gotta complete all your power connections there, going to the starter, going to the fuse box. So this is a junction box.
Whoa.
Junction box, power going from the battery up to here. Install all the things in these two, starter, everything, and battery, and ground it in the trunk.
Dude, you voided your warranty doing it.
There was a 95, man. Ain't no warranty on this.
You know you voided your warranty on this thing. Just I don't think warranty is any of his concern, guys. Scott, so there's no timing belt cover?
There was, but I threw them away.
There's no risk in leaving it exposed like that, I guess.
I mean, I've seen a ton of engines like that, and they never have any issues. All the race engines are pretty much like that.
A catch can that actually caught, that actually catch oil. So hold on, one end going to the intake and the other end going to the oil pan, or?
No, both of them go to the block.
Both of the hoses from the catch can going toward the block.
Yeah, so the back side of the block has, you know, the oil return passages back to the pan.
Okay.
There's fittings off of that. So any crankcase pressure that blow by getting past the rings, it goes out into the catch can. And some of the oil goes with it, you know, of course.
Wow.
There's supposed to be 2 more of these, and you weld fittings onto the valve cover and have 2 more.
To catch even more extra protection.
Extra crankcase ventilation.
Well, right now you're only using 2.
Yeah, the ones on the back side of the block are the most important. Because the crankcase ventilation comes from blow by getting past the rings, and that goes straight to the crankcase, the pan, and all that. So the ones on the back side of the block are the more important ones. But you're still making big power. I'm not making big power yet. When I am,
you'll need those
weld fittings on the valve cover, run hoses, you know, to those other 2 right there.
Wow, I just learned something, guys. I didn't. It's not your typical 3.6, so or your PT Cruiser. So, man, guys. So this guy repositioned his battery. I guess the last but not least job is the paint job. So, but like I say, I did learn something more than what I knew. I don't know what happens here. I guess the window glass, it started raining, this will go up, but he's obviously in love with this car because he had done a ton of work to it.
Yeah, you floor this thing. Nobody's home until 5,000 RPM. Okay.
That's neat.
That's the problem. That's the problem with mine is I got the low end, but the high end like falls off. It needs out. I got all the parts.
Hey, secondary ignition setup. Nothing's original. What a funny looking car, guys. All right, these are called project cars, so it's not your everyday thingamajig. I don't know what his plans are for him. Okay, so, but when I find out, I'll let y'all know, guys. Stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. I'll be right back. All right, guys, let's go this way. Let's go back here. I think it's a major recall, TSB or some sort going on over here, and I have to do some investigation before I start really speaking on it, but I'm under the impression that there is a recall now on the rear suspension, guys. Let's see what he's doing. He had to take the whole rear cradle out. That looks like the new one, of course. So what we have is the, wow, it's all rusted up. Wow, look at this, guys. No. Guys, when your car get like this, you might ought to just let it go. I can't believe Chrysler's taking responsibility for this. No. Well, anyway, they're making us put a whole complete rear cradle. I wonder if they're making us do the front. Oh, whoa! Holy crap! Look at this. Now, if it's a flaw, then yes. Guys, this guy back here he said he's doing the first one.